How does your approach prioritize product features over aesthetics in UX design? So aesthetics don't necessarily mean that, the greater the aesthetic, the greater the impact for the product to make more money. That is not true. Some of the ugliest products out there, and you'll find that a lot of websites out there do exist that are horrendous, are actually making a lot of money. And you'll also find out that there are beautiful websites out there that have 10 visitors a month or every 3 months, and they're not making any money, and good time and good energy, good amount of money has been poured into those websites, and they're probably still being paid for annually without any revenue. Prioritizing product features over aesthetics, yes, of course you should, but you should ensure that those product features are validated. So anything that you promote or propose when it comes to enhancing a product or even creating one, those things need to be validated. So your aesthetics come second. Quickly ensure that